Fifth sentence, the patient died before the doctor reached there. Coming to the B exercise, it's the paragraph and the options are given on page 167. So I will change the page as you people are having the books. On the next page are the correct options. You can check out. Yes. So the para is Cow the crow does not like Miss Coley. Every time he sits on her window sill, she shoos him away. Cow decides to teach her a lesson. Today is Sunday. Miss Coley is eating parathas. Sorry, there will be Miss Coley will eat paratha. Will come. Will eat. Second option. Will eat. Okay. Says Cow to no one in particular. The grandfather's clock in Miss Coley's drawing room chimes 8 times. Chimes, fourth option. There she is, a plate balances itself in one hand of hers, and with the other, she is holding her book. D1, second option. Her spectacles and her nose, they are inseparable. What does she think? She is a scholar, says Cow to himself. Only I know what she is up to. And E blank, there will be up to. She is learning some rules of grammar for tomorrow's lesson. Okay. E blank, there will be second option. Now she dash back to the kitchen to fetch her cup. Now she will go. First option of F. She will go. Cow is all smiles now. Here it goes, the warm sweetie onto your paratha. It's live and curling. Miss Coley is back. She took a bite at her paratha and munched it, and with it crunches the crispy curly worm. Means the cow has put a worm from its beak on paratha, and Mrs. Coley is not aware that a worm is there on paratha, and she just put it in her mouth, and that curly worm is being crunched by his teeth. Okay, the para is about a crow who used to sit on Miss Coley's windowsill, and Miss Coley just hated that crow, and she every time she shoos away, get lost from my window. So one day Crow thought that he will teach a lesson to Miss Coley, and he was watching for the moment when Miss Coley gets up, leave her plate, and then he will put a worm on the paratha and she will eat. And that's what he did at last. She went to kitchen for some work, and at that moment, Crow took a worm in his beak and put it in the paratha. Now see exercise. Rewrite the following sentences in the interrogative form. So all the helping verbs you will put out and start with the helping verb. Like, were the students making noise? Question mark. Second, was the mason building a wall? Question mark. And students, right now you can complete your work. If you are having online classes and I am dictating, then you should complete your work only in the online class during the classes going on. Don't keep it pending. Third sentence, were they crying bitterly? Were they crying bitterly? Those who have raised their hands, I will talk to you later. Please wait for some minutes. Fourth sentence, were all the spectators clapping? Fifth one, was she preparing for the examination? Sixth sentence, was the police searching for the thief? Now D exercise. Rewrite the following sentences in future continuous tense. She will not be dancing. Future continuous form is will be or shall be plus ing in the main verb. So first one, she will not be dancing. Second, the painter will be painting a picture. The painter will be painting a picture. I will be purchasing a camera. Fourth, who will be doing this work? And question mark. Who will be doing this work? Put the question mark. Fifth sentence, my granny will be telling a story. My granny will be telling a story. Sixth sentence, I will be wearing a black sari. I will be wearing a black sari. Seventh sentence, the passengers will be wandering to and fro. The passengers will be wandering to and fro. So students, now we are done with the chapter, whole chapter of tenses. Okay. And one information I want to give you. Okay. So students, I received a message right now from school that we are going as per our planner, school planner. Tomorrow there will be no class and no test, and also there is holiday of Monday on account of Kailash fair. So you are having 3 days holiday. Right now I received a message. There will be no class on Monday. Okay. Now, one more information I want to give you, that until your assignment tests are not going on Saturday, I am beginning with the revision test from Tuesday. What you have to do, the students of A section are familiar with me, how I am taking the test, and the B section are not familiar. So what we are doing, we are not having any notebook of English language because the book itself is enough. So now what you will do, you will take center pages, fair center pages of copy. Okay. And those center pages, after the completion of test, you will paste or punch where the topic is given in the book. Okay. Where the topic is given in the book, there you will paste and punch from the corner. Now, the topic which I want to take the test is, I am giving you, so you can prepare with that. One is adverb. Okay. Adverb. Tuesday you will be getting the test paper for adverb. The test paper will be on the screen. Questions will be there. Some time will be given to you to copy down. And then I will ask one by one, verbally here, the correct answers. Okay. So be prepared with pen, pencil and paper on your table for revision test. Now, the answer which is going wrong, that answer you will circle with a pen, black pen, you will circle and write the correct answer with the pencil. Okay. Number of answers which are incorrect, you will do circle, and the correct answer you will write with pencil. This you will paste where the topic has been given adverbs. The chapter is here and it is having the assignments 21, 22 like that, this, and there you will paste the paper. So when the school gets open, and I will check your books, I will check your revision test also, because I am having my lesson plan in record and I am keeping the revision test questions also in record. So I will check whether the students have completed or not. And the attendance as per the day wise, also the attendance is going, is maintaining. So it will be fruitful for you if you will complete your work, and all the revision test papers will be pasted in your books. Okay. So as per the attendance, today I informed 31 students are there in my class, and this attendance I will maintain after the class gets over. I will note down, and these 31 students on Tuesday will give their test, revision test, written revision test. Okay. So Saturday will be no test, no class, and on Monday will also be no class. And later on about the assignment test, you will be informed by the school whenever it will held. Yes, Onik.
Hello.
Yes, on it.
Hello. Ma'am, can you share page number 161 for a while?
161. You can have it on portal.
It is uploaded.
Because the work today we will send na, it will be uploaded. Tenses na,
Okay,
yes,
ma'am.
definitely till evening it will be uploaded.
Okay, ma'am.
Dev Tyagi.
यस मैम मैम
Yes.
दैट मैम जो मैम आपने लेटर मैम पोर्टल पर डाल दिया है लेकिन मैम आपने शायद मैम नोटिस करवाया था
Notice, actually I started the topic, but it is not completed. Okay. Karthik.
Ma'am,
Yes.
please share 166 page number 166 page
Again,
number.
166. Acha, wait. Shrishti is also there. Yes, Shrishti.
Ma'am, you are saying that you have started the topic of notice, but ma'am, you have given 2 notices also to us.
Yes, I started, but those were not from the book that time. I was
Yes, ma'am.
provided in July only, in the first
Yes,
week
ma'am.
of July. So first I was thinking we will not be provided with the books and we have to continue by ourselves. But so I started the 2 notices. But now I will start from the book itself, the questions given in the books. Okay. Okay, you want page 166 and 161 also. This is page 166. Students, any other query? Anybody wants to ask? Okay, I think you have taken the screenshot. Now page number 161. This is the page number 161. Okay, class.